Omwami MCA wanda Sebulaka namwe bali white upole bali white we always joke ekanisa yase the Catholic Church Father Tanganyika omanyire ni yese salwa niye ndikuzo kwa malala nenaye omusale wase niye Father juzi kekile kwasika Dr. Tanganyika wandaye bandu befwe muliano mwesi waziri Susana Kumicha wabirama kondoka Daktari Wanyama waziri Eugene His Excellency Governor wa Trans Nzoia mwami Daktari Yesene babana abakesani mulembe ndisa nende only one word omwami the late Wanyama here Okonloyo bandu se banyala bamanya wayi majimbo na nyole khano lunota oyo waseniye olunende bule bena ye bukali bwe batilwi kabchai ndondile ku bandu bange. Number 2 esenendo Daktari oyo nende the late Wanyama Wanyonyi marehemu akili nende mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa kwakenda ngalani kuenja bubwami nyange chechu ne kusupporta mwami the late Michael Molakijana Fort Kenya nyange chechu a family TVC inu kulane Daktari Stock Dr. Stock Wamera that very good doctor nende sister wewe bali Teresa Wamela bosi wasoma nabe schools in secondary school. Daktari kaba form 4, I was in form 1. We share the same school with them. Kamena kon kakile kozinecha. One word ndima kenje sikira ngenjandi ndiende flight ya 6 bambele sabubwami South Africa Johannesburg kenja kunyanya lusungu. Asante bandu befwe kwakholera kumwinya webwamita ewe bane bakhutrust bakhwelesha bubwami wacha mu county government namwe wacha mu national government wabo mbungi bosi o ali raya there is a reason. Oh, sorry, I did not recognize my good brother on the Hocha wangi. Haicha nyanga wanjuba. Hoja did mercy. Semulanga and Hocha. Hocha asante. Here. Ono Hocha ni kuli mukatoliki. Sukulanga kuli bishop ta. Ila kuli mukatoliki ya karikari. Lakini namu nasia bishop ni. Now, this is what I wanted to say. Lila culture mu Kenya. Nenyamba bolele fwenga kuli mubwami. Let us not underestimate the youths. Mukhabona abana bano mwabalekele ata. Niye olabonanga mu Kenya babana bakenda bambane ba demonstrate. Mbao barusishe kaba chisentita. Nobody. They mobilize each other using bundles. And as government, let us learn one thing. That the youths have just discovered yesterday that there is power in the bundles and WhatsApp. So let us be very careful as we take leadership of this country. Say, I am not apologizing to anybody. The reason why I'm not apologizing to anybody, a single Catholic, akhaba nembabulire bali barusisi ya finance bill busuru bwe kumukati. In the first place, barakos. Why they put there? In the first place, kwa nini urego malobolo na rusisio? I think we have wrong advisors advising my president. Because look at how Kenya is acidic because of bread. And we won't be where we are now. Esengo omukatoliki abere ne barabusurubo kumukati abere sakaramendo kuchauka bane halala. That is what it means. Abere father ne kema mwima bane afunemo mala muchie bane hulala. It is not possible. Let me tell you something. Malane kuchaungia kone mubona. No chano nyoro mwane piki kapindue yalo linasi kama furaka wele. Mana hafuamo. Na pindu na bende mulale chwele. Nandi was opindue piki sinano. Alipoto map. That's what I was told. Andu base mulembe. Atongareni mulembe. Oyino bali majimbo Karasinga. Sembolanga bungali bwongene. Nese manyire. Nandi senga nabire kura. Nabulayi khaya nende bakhongo babili khungaki mala bandu basi basime. Bakhambile mu bunge luni. Enywe uli bwenino muliyo my honorable CS Nakumicha, you are doing a good job. That one I must say. As a minister unabona barango wenyu abanamba ine namba 3 mu Kenya abaka khole kasi endai sira yulo mozinano. I cannot say miss to say that. Yeah no chilili labs. Malakana why you are doing a good job. Kana wabirira mbikele pia Dr. Wanyama. That's why. You have the best teaching to be where you are. No manye you know wasiri ni. Ni yese echa mbunge wangone sheria ta. Eseso mbunge ni yongone sheria. Sheria ne yonekh muhacha huna kumicha ta. Chahuma chimbo Karasinga. Sikire seni abuna ke sheria ni ya implementers. Namwe mbolands. Kabele kama kali. Ndiwa bene ndo wasyange. Babu kuswa bene babola. Banocha kubina. Obinira simbi. Onyala wabina atai. Mala oli bwa kusiera yowekisa mu mibole kende bwira bulenje sikiro olusichula. Hana kumusu kwa kama remaki mibekyo. Heja nangale mbweno tata. Baba anabali babili anu mwani mutaki simi mutaki ali. Simi mutaki bana babili. Endo mwami Pius Ndumba bambenja daktari na akhafuata. Omwa Dr. Wanyama nendo mwami Ndumba gebama kama sikaka papa omutaki simi yuno. Bambenja lakini abe natimake mbunge. Mala daktari kabwali bana basi babili bayakwana bali mu secondary school. I will pay cha form 3 ne gavana kanjeta mwami natembea kumala cha form 4. Namwesi na basahulu welo ananga chikhabisa amwa chichindi kwabo kama kali ukhalo melenjeko asandi yaya no wasendi wabene khekukasule sawa mwene lundulanga okundi nebusabe protocol ebole lindanga okundi lakini khube one uli musikele sio mubunge kali bulundi anono wela amwe chikhabiko.
Asandi titi masina alekho chao sese kho chao. Yes. Ni tangazo